Hello everyone. Hi, hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about some of my health and beauty products. Depending on how much time I have, I could do one, two, three, or even more. I don't know, but yeah, I will be talking about some of my products. Those of you who know Nicole Fashions very well and have been following us for a while now, you will know late last year, sometime in August, we opened another arm of Nicole Fashions, which is Nikki Beauty Products. Okay, and the products we distribute, we push out there to customers are Atomy products. So we are one of the pioneers. A plus for Nicole Fashions there. We are one of the pioneers of Nikki Beauty products in the United Kingdom. Okay, they opened up a branch late last year, I think July last year, 2021. They opened up a branch in the United Kingdom. All right, they opened up a market basically, and UK is their first European branch. All right, and we happen to be one of the pioneers of the products here. So a big plus for Nicole Fashions, big plus for Nikki Beauty Products. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be doing a series, okay? And this, starting from this month all through next month, I'm going to be doing a series where I'm going to be talking about my health and beauty products, and I'm going to be showcasing these products for you to see, all right? So my first product today is the Atomy Pomegranate Mixed Fruit Jelly. Atomy Pomegranate Mixed Fruit Jelly. Ladies, this is for you, all right? And men as well. It's for you to listen, and if you feel that you want to give your wife a treat, you can get her this. But this is solely for ladies, all right? Ladies, inner health, inner beauty, all right? This I don't know if you've seen the pomegranate fruit itself. The day I saw it in a shop, it looks like this. Okay, that's the fruit there. You can see. For those of you who are like, what was that? That's the pomegranate fruit. I saw it in a shop. It's so hard. Trust me, it is really hard. And to me, it's like, no, this is a no, 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 no. It was a total put off for me. I didn't even want to touch it. Like, when I just saw how hard it was, I'm like, who's going to eat this anyway? So, but I was so amazed when I first found out about this beauty product. This lovely health product and beauty products as well. Beauty products as well. So, yeah, I was shocked because Atomy just made something beautiful out of the pomegranate fruit itself, all right, and it's made it's so accessible for us now, all right, and makes it easier for you to appreciate the fruit and get all the benefits that you can get from the fruit, all right. First and foremost, this pomegranate fruit jelly, it's sweet. Let's start with the taste. It tastes so, me, anything sweet, nice, you get me, that's why I can't go off my ice creams. Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah, not sweet in a bad way. Okay, it's the fruit itself that is sweet. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it's not like, oh, it's sweet, they've put sugar. It's no, no, no. It's the fruit itself. It's sweet, okay? And it has a kind of tangy taste, and chewy kind of feel to it. And it's like a jelly. I have opened this one for the purpose of this demo I'm doing. I actually opened this one so you can see how it actually looks. Can you see? Woo, that's the jelly flapping there, and they're so handy. We take a bite of it. It's lovely. I'm not going to stop this now. Oh dear. Lovely. 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 So they come in sachets like this. Very handy. Put them in your purse. You need 2 a day. You can get greedy and take 3 a day. It's all up to you, but 2 a day, yeah. All right. Very handy. Put them in your bags, in your purses, ladies. And that's it. Very, very handy sachets. This product helps your skin to glow. I take it, so I can attest to that, because I don't let this go out of stock in my house. I always restock. When I see that I'm running low, immediately I restock. Okay, so I always have it at home. I won't come here and tell you or do a demo on something I haven't tried and tested. That's not me. You guys, now, it's not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's not Nico Fashions. All right. Now, this helps your skin to glow, ladies. And this is so good as well for ladies who are in the menopausal phase. All right. Menopause doesn't have to make you age and make you look. There's this general saying that you can age, you can become old, but you don't have to look your age. All right. Sometimes when I tell people my age, the expressions I get is always overwhelming. They open their jaw, is like, oh, and the jaw is almost dropping on the table. When I tell them my age, because they never believe me. I don't bother these days because nobody believes me anyway, so I don't bother, but yeah, that's because I do what I need to do to maintain my skin, to give me that inner health, inner beauty. And this is one of the products that I use, all right? This is one of the products. I'm not kidding you. This is one of the products I use. I love it so much, okay? The Atomy Pomegranate Mixed Fruit Jelly Sticks, okay? It's good for general well-being, of women, and also women in the, like I said, in the menopausal phase. The hot flushes that we have, when you're in the menopause, you know what I'm talking about. Hot flushes, mood swings, some people have one or the other. Some people just grab the whole combination of all the symptoms that come with menopause and everything. Some people are unlucky, some are lucky, some don't feel anything at all. But if you know somebody, or you have experienced mood swings, or you're experiencing mood swings, hot flushes and things like that, grab pomegranate jelly. We've had testimonies on YouTube of people who have actually used the pomegranate jelly, okay, and their hot flushes have reduced to a state where they can almost nearly just ignore it, like it's not there, all right, and mood swings totally gone. And I'm telling you real life testimonies, okay? So ladies in their menopausal phases, you don't have to stay feeling low or sad because you're going through menopause. No. Grab one of this, okay? And you'll be thanking me later, all right? Apart from ladies in menopause, it's good for your hair growth. All right, it's good for hair growth, it's good for nails. In fact, I did a list because I didn't want to forget any points. All right, I didn't want to forget anything. I don't want to be like, oh, I didn't tell them this. Okay, so I actually did some notes. It's high in fiber, which all of us know the importance of fiber in digestion. So it's high in fiber. Let me just check that I have some time. I might just do this. It's fine. It's high in fiber, all right? And it's rich in Elagic acid, which is the main component of the pomegranate concentrate, all right? It boosts skin moisture for a healthy looking glow. Like I told you before, if you want a lovely skin glow, lovely skin tone, please grab one of these, okay? I use it every day. I take it every day, all right? Also, it improves hormonal balance, okay? And I've said it before, for thicker hair and nail growth and general health and well-being of women in menopause. I've said that as well. Yeah, so if you love the pomegranate fruit, but you haven't really been able to access it or eat it properly because it's hard, Atomy has made it into lovely, lovely soft jelly sticks for us to take. So women, all right, feel free, grab one. If you want it, send me a DM, okay? And I will lead you through a free online registration where you can actually shop for this anytime you want in the comfort of your own home. All right? So that's Atomy Pomegranate Mixed Fruit Jelly. All right? Now, I've run out of time, but I will do another video, all right, where I'll be talking about more products. Till I see you again. Take care. Bye now.